guys, back for the final portion of this video. So first step, we put it in the Gladiator. We ran it for about 50 minutes, 3 different cycles. Next, we put it in a VH1000, ran straight glass speed and did all the touch-up work. Took me probably about maybe around 20 minutes, maybe a little bit less. So if we look in the clutch housing, it covered every portion of this part. Everything in the clutch housing, every nook and cranny got hit. So that's awesome, because this would typically take about an hour and a half doing by hand. Depending on how greasy and nasty it is, I would say the maximum time would be about an hour and a half. If we flip this transmission housing over, you can see the rest of the part actually did very, very well. It got into all this around here where the axle would go. Got into every one of these crevices. Did very well. Even where the shift selector mechanism goes, literally everything on this transmission housing got covered. And I'm honestly very, very satisfied with the results. This thing did awesome. If you were looking for a solution like this, please contact the sales team, hit us up on Instagram, check out our website at www.vaporhoningtechnologies.com, and we appreciate you watching this video. Thank you.